The Windows Recycle Bin is a place used to temporarily store a user's deleted files. It acts as a safety net, allowing users to recover files previously marked for deletion if they change their mind. When or if the user chooses to empty the bin, the files are visually removed from the system and the disk space they occupied is marked for reuse. The concept for what became the recycle bin existed all the way back during the development of the first version of Windows, Windows 1 in the early 1980s. Known at the time as Trash, the feature would make its way into various development builds of the operating system, but was ultimately scrapped before the final release in November 1985. Whilst the exact reason for the cancellation of the Trash feature is unknown, it is possible that Microsoft chose to remove it for fear of encroaching too much on the territory of Apple's Macintosh operating system, which had debuted with a similar feature almost 2 years earlier. The concept of the recycle bin raised its head again during the development of Windows codename Cairo, an ambitious but ultimately cancelled version of Windows that Microsoft worked on during the early 1990s, in which it was known as the Wastebasket. During the development of Cairo, another team at Microsoft was busy working on Chicago, the code name for the operating system that ultimately released as Windows 95 in 1995. The Chicago team had initially borrowed UI features and ideas from Cairo, with the Wastebasket being one of said features. By the time of Windows 95's release, the Wastebasket feature had been iterated upon and renamed the Recycle Bin. Whilst there have been small under-the-hood tweaks to the Recycle Bin's functionality over the years, the majority of visible changes have been cosmetic ones, mainly new icons.